Hi, my name is Chhaya, and I'm the co-founder and COO of GOPHYGITAL, which is a part of VRTECH Interactive, leading design tech agency. We are an immersive solutions provider, building solutions in augmented reality, virtual reality, and gamification. And we're based in Mumbai. And we've been here for a while now. My expectations from VRTECH was to meet and interact with like-minded people who are looking at implementing augmented reality and virtual reality as a part of their business processes, and also interact with the developer community, people from other AR/VR companies who can share their ideas. So the experience was brilliant. We had a lot of interactions with people from the business side of things who had real life problem statements which they wanted to look at AR/VR to solve, and brilliant interactions. One of the sessions that I attended earlier was how extended reality is used in enterprise applications, and that was a brilliant scenario, brilliant panel discussion. And overall the technology showcase was also awesome. I think the overall experience has been great. People are looking at augmented reality and virtual reality in a very serious manner now. And I think it's conferences like this which helps people come together. I was just talking to one of the organizers and I said, this is actually what is needed from both an industry point of view, from an AR/VR point of view, as well as the business point of view, to get these people to meet together, exchange ideas, and create solutions which would help create an AR/VR ecosystem. I think the organization was overall a brilliant organization, right from the venue to the choice of speakers invited, the mix of audience which was out there, and the topics covered across a broad range. I think it was a fantastic execution. I think the speakers was a good mix of, like I said, people from the AR/VR development industry, from a solution provider's point of view, from technology providers, platforms like Unity also kind of coming on board, and businesses. I mean, we had on the panel which I was on, we had a gentleman from Tata Motors who actually gave us real life problem statements which they are facing and wanted to understand how AR/VR can help them solve that. And they're already doing that. So it's not just something which is out there as just a concept. People are actually implementing it, and which is what was great to know in a conference like this, that you actually meet people who are not just talking about doing things, they're actually doing things in AR and VR.